Hello everyone, welcome back to our all new unboxing video. So let's get started. So how's everyone's Friday? Hope it's pretty well. Now this is unboxing of a custom model that I bought overseas. And it's the only one of its kind. Alright, let's get this box open. Is it in the frame? Yes it is. My scissors getting dull or something. Ah, look at that. It's wrapped in, it's like tissue paper and, yeah, it's tissue paper and bubble wrap. Stick that over there. Let's cut the tape off of this. A nice burrito. Uh-oh. Voila! Get this stuff out the way. Put this sideways. And voila! Here it is. It is a custom Motorart Volvo EC480DL high reach excavator. Sorry about that, I accidentally pressed the shutter button while I was recording and it stopped the recording. So yes, it does come off, so I can put a grapple on it. Nice. So there you have it. It is a custom Volvo EC480D high reach excavator. Straight from overseas. Alright, so thank you guys for watching the unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time.